All right, today on the menu is buffalo chicken tenders, an all-time favorite, I know. And what's so nice about this? Look at that. It's so versatile. You can do whatever you please after you make these little beauties. This is a buffalo chicken salad. All right, let's get started. This is just a guide for reference. I use it just to follow ingredients, temperatures, yada yada. I just put it up here and you can either copy it and use it as that, or you can follow through with the recipe that I am going to show you here. All right, everything you need: a boneless chicken breast, salt, breadcrumbs, chili powder, garlic powder, paprika, and of course, your favorite buffalo sauce. You may pick whatever you want as long as it's gluten-free. All right, cut the boneless chicken breast into 1-inch thick strips. And then you prepare your breading. You'll need a half a cup of gluten-free breadcrumbs, a half a tablespoon of paprika, half tablespoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt. Add all ingredients into a bowl. Then mix them together very well. Then you'll coat the chicken pieces in the breading. Don't be afraid to push hard. It might take a little effort to get that breading to stick in that chicken. Now you can either bake the chicken tenders in the oven or use an air fryer oven. If using an air fryer oven, line your air fryer basket with parchment paper. If you're using your oven, also line your cookie sheet with parchment paper. It will make the process a lot easier for cleanup. Then you can cook them in the air fryer at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or bake them in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, turning them over halfway through. So set your timer for 10 minutes. Turn them over with some tongs, and then reset at 10 minutes more. Next, let's get your favorite buffalo sauce. Just make sure the label says gluten-free, and lucky for you, most of them are. How much you use is also up to you, but I can usually cover 8 chicken tenders with 1 cup sauce. So now you will dip your tenders in the sauce and coat generously. Coat each chicken tender well and put back in the air fryer or your oven for 2 to 3 more minutes. Ding! Pull them out when they're finished. Look at how beautiful they are. Gorgeous! Great job! And what I love about this is you can do whatever you want with them. For example, here is that beautiful buffalo chicken salad that I showed you in the beginning. Easy peasy, lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, a little bit, sour cream, sauce. Awesome. But of course, you can make your salad whichever way you please. Enjoy a wrap? Cool beans! Just make sure that the wrap is made out of corn or gluten-free ingredients. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Any questions? Pop them down below. Thanks for joining. And be sure to check out the next delicious gluten-free recipe.